Falcor!
I hear you calling, John, and I would like to help, but it's way too cold down there. I'm staying up here where it's nice and warm.
Stupid frickin' Falcor. His thin skin.
Well, here we are back to the harvest. The first 60 acres, we just marched across the field. Like in 2 days, the first 65 acres were done. Today, I just like the heck with it. We got to work on this today. So this morning, we wiped out quite a few acres. And of that last 40, and I think we got, I think by the time Dad tops the cart off, there'll literally be 10 acres at the most left. So that'll be pretty nice. So the crop store is full. The wet bin is full. So we moved the vac over to the harvester. And well, that's working pretty good. That little leg, I put a little support leg. I didn't get it painted. But I just put a support leg. I just took a piece of pipe, took a chunk of pipe, cut it in half, welded some angle iron on it to make a clamp. And then we had to put a little kick to make it fit nice. And then for right now, just to see how it would work, you know, before you get too elaborate, then we'll make a finished product here. We'll bring a leg down this back side so it kind of encompasses this, and then we can get rid of the C-clamp. But hey, the pipe has been through some hellacious winds while sitting there, so far it's worked pretty good. And so yeah.
Just to get